How to add money to Pandabuy balance. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today I'm gonna explain you how you can add some money into pandabuy.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial, and don't forget, in the description of this video you're gonna be able to find the Pandabuy website and sign up links. So first of all, you must go into your account, and once you are into your account, you must click into your profile picture and go into the first option, User Center. There in the left menu, you're gonna find different options. We're going into Wallet, but you can do it from here as well into the User Center because you must click on Top Up. If I go into Wallet, that's the same option, Top Up. So you must specify the amount in CNY that you want to get in. So let's suppose it's around $100, 100 CNY, that it's around $15, okay? But I can add more if I want. I must click on confirm, and there you're going to receive different available payment options. It depends in your country. My current country is Colombia, but you can change it if you need it. So you must select your country, and probably there are gonna be different payment methods. Here I have the option with PayPal, Stripe, or credit card. I suppose credit card is available in all countries, okay? And don't forget that depending on the payment method that you select, there is a different handling fee. So as you can see, if I select PayPal, it's around $6.05. Here it's around 5 and 5 cents, and with the credit card it's around 6, just a little less, okay? So that's how you can confirm your payment, and this is in different currencies too, because for instance in PayPal this is the symbol of US dollars, but with Stripe is the euro, okay? And with the credit card it comes to be again the US dollar. So be careful with that data. Once you have selected your payment method, you must click on confirm payment, and to complete all the steps and to fill all the bars in order to pay and to have some balance into your account, okay? There's going to be here into your user center again, your profile picture, user center, and there's going to be your balance. You can withdraw it too, but I have no options here, of course, because I have not completed these steps. And that's it. That's how you can add money to Pandabuy balance. Thanks for watching.